going to use right now is Julie from England, my dearest friend from England, sent me her leftovers, and I really love that because I always like to use Santoro things. And not only she sent me the leftovers, she also sent me a new pack. So, but I will use that if this is running out. I start with the leftovers, see how far I get with this project. So yeah, I have a lot of leftover stuff. Well, this is not a leftover, this is brand new. So I have a lot of stuff to use, some leftover stickers, and did she already cut out, and some ribbons and loads of cutter parts, and I just love using them. So that's a challenge for me. First use this, and when I run out I have something to use this. But first use your stash. First use everything you have in your stash. So that is what I am going to show you, and this is also from Santoro. This is the other kit from the Mirabelle, because I also got from her this one. This one I used from the Mirabelle. Can't remember the perfect name for it, but this definitely was the Mirabelle. But I can't find the name. But anyway, now I'm going to use this one on this project. So let me put this away, and I am going to tell you in a second what I am going to do with it. Okay, stay tuned and you'll be flabbergasted. So what I did, oh my gosh, I really had time between my design team projects. You can call it a time off, and it's me time. And I, for those who knows me, they know I got recently a brother ScanNCut, and well, I did not have that much time to play with it, but now I have. So I spent a few days playing around with it, and I came up with the idea to use this machine for my next project. And I cut out so many things that I'm going to make an album of it, and it has loads of things. It has coin bags, it had see-through pockets, it has tags, it has pages with flippity flops. It has even a page where you can put a ribbon in, and it has, let me show you real quick before we start, it has some words, and even the words are in a page. I don't know if you can see it, but you can see there is you and me. But we have a heart, we have also a see-through pocket, we have a is this a banner? I believe so. We have some tags, we have some larger tags, we have so much larger tags, we even have stuff to make a waterfall. Oh my gosh. I have made pockets, ready to go pockets, even with the flippity flops. We have another flip through, see-through pocket. We have nice design pockets. Look at this, really cute. Really cute, really cute. We have even a how you call this, a window pocket flip page. That I made. I have made envelopes with a large flip. I have made envelopes with a smaller flip. And let me show you. I have made, oh my gosh, I have made tags with a pocket, and in this pocket you can put a nice tag in. Oh my gosh, so this looks how I cut it out. And another pocket, I believe. Oh, this was my girl. My girl was playing around with it also. She made this pocket. And she made, let me show you. This is really so cute. She made this for me. Look, isn't this amazing? I think I will put this on the back of this album, just to say thank you for my little girl. Well, little, she's 16, but still little to me. And she was playing around with my program from Canvas. She even mentioned, she even made her initials. Really cute. And she made this, but anyhow, this is what she made. And she even cuts out this one, girl. And that's all be made, well, this doesn't, but it's all be made with just the program of Canvas. So all you see here, I made with the program Canvas. I have nothing pulled out of the internet because I only wanted to use Canvas stuff. So most of things I designed myself, like this coin pocket. It have to be glued together on, but loads and loads of stuff. And when this pile is gone, I thought perhaps it will be very nice to make the pages as well. So I am going to make an album with no use of a scoreboard or measurements. Well, I never use measurements, well, almost never. So yeah, I even made a nice page with some nice homemade border. So yeah, let's dig in my adventure of my brother ScanNCut mini album. So I am going to make a 6x6 this time, just to try out how this works. And well, you can see I have played, well, I think, no, not a complete week, but a few days totally on my brother ScanNCut program and my machine. These two are, I just get addicted. So, but now it's time to work with them, see how it goes and see if it works for me. So yeah, just go with the flow and join my journal. My traveling, no, yeah, my adventure. Join my adventure. That was the word I was looking for. So yeah, let's see how it goes. I think I will go with the cover and then see how I get into. So yeah, let's see how wide I want it. But yeah, I'm going to see. Okay, join me. Stay tuned. Hello everybody. I like to show you the end results of my brother ScanNCut templates I used in this album. So let's get in how this album turns out, and later on there will be a tutorial, of course, how I put it all together. But first let's see in the end result. So this is the front, and I use a lot of materials of my dear friend Julie. I said earlier in this video, and I really like it. I used the twim that I recently bought from Wish. I used, and it's an old one that I have still in my stash, Bookbinder's linen, really fancy. And on the back I even made some little pictures on, some cutouts, and I really like how it turns out. So I made again a closure with the ribbon and the crystal button, but this time it's a smaller size. This is the 2 centimeter size crystal button I also found somewhere on the internet. You just Google in crystal button and you will definitely find any website they have. Okay, so I don't put a link in because because the internet is full of plenty of websites you can find. So let's dig in. Okay, so the first page I made a waterfall. And like I said before, in the complete album I used every single thing with templates. Well, just a few little things not, like this. This is not a template, but that is just a closure for the waterfall. But this is the first waterfall I made. And well, I think I can still make a little crystal on it. So it will be just a little extra touch. But this goes up and up and up and up. Okay, so this was really fun and easy to do. Then this is an extra page, and again, not again, it's the first time you see it, but here is my first page with the decorative edge. And then this is just plain, and here I made a pocket with 2 little tags in. And then we go to this page. Here on this page I glue on the tag pocket I showed you, and well, you can just put a nice tag in like I did and put a nice tag on behind. Then you open this ribbon sorry and I glued on 2 little pages, and on the back I made a pocket with a big tag. Really easy. And then this closes down with this elastic lace ribbon. Really easy. Still learning how to make nice bows. Okay, then this flips to the left, and here is a little page where I just decorated with the nice paper and stickers put on. But on the front of this little page I made a pocket with a booklet in. Always like that. Then we go to the right, and here I made my first ribbon page where you can put some nice lace in these openings. Then this goes to the left, and then on this side I created again a pocket with a large tag in. Then it's a simple decorative page where you can put loads of photos in. Then we come already to the middle of the album, and here again we have 2 little pages, and on the inside there are 2 diagonal pockets with big tags in. Always fun doing that. And on the top of these I created in each 3 little pockets where we start with just a little booklet and just a little bigger tag in, and again a larger tag on the back. Same thing on the right side, just a simple little booklet and a little larger and the largest one. And on this one is just a window. You can remove the pink paper and put a nice photo in the back. This is open so you can slide it in and out. Okay, then we go to this page, and here this is a window page, and it's a grabber piece. You can slide your photo in here on the back if you want. You can see it's a clear sheet I put on the back, but you also can put just a little nice note if you want. You can put this on here too. That's just a simple page. Then we go to this side, and again here the little flap has a pocket, and on here I made a coin bag, and it opens up, and then we just have a simple photo mat put in, and then this closes back together like that. And then this opens to the right, and here again we have a second ribbon page with a decorative edge, and this looks like this, and then loads of place for nice pictures on or writing places. Then this goes to the left, and here we have our big window page with a button closure. And yeah, I put my paper on the wrong side, but I just leave it. So this closes down again with a ribbon. And then for the last page I make a pocket with just a leftover packaging, and you can put your nice photo on here, and this use as whatever you like. I just put it in and you can do whatever. I just can't throw it away. The pink I really like. Okay, so that was my first album, using it all with the templates I just show you. So I really hope you like it, and give me a thumbs up, and perhaps you are interested in the templates I use in this album. So just contact me if you really like them, and perhaps I can send you to them. The only thing is, I hope you liked it, and give me a thumbs up, and the tutorial will be available pretty soon. I'll upload every Monday, Wednesday and Friday new videos on my YouTube channel, and so be patient and you'll be seeing the tutorials real soon. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.